Pretty soon you'll take a bride. And then she said, just because you become a young man now, still some things that you don't understand now. Before you ask some girl for a hand now.
It's completely frozen, look at this.
Keep your freedom for as long as you can now. My mama told me, you better shop around. Yeah, you better shop around. Shop around. There's some things that I want you to know now.
What's up? Welcome to a brand new video. Today we are here with my rally record sprint from the 90s, 30-year-old steel bike, and we're gonna go on a bikepacking tour, my first overnighter ever. You can see we're having a nice church, which is our starting point, and yeah, we're in the Eifel National Park, but we're gonna go to Rhineland-Pfalz. Don't know how that is called in English, but yeah, we're gonna start now before the people start looking at me like I'm stupid. Alright, let's go in. Hopefully somebody will close the door behind me at some point in the future. Definitely underbike with this bike and these tires. Mountain bike would do the job, but a road bike with 30C tires, we'll see. To make this a little bit more interesting, I thought I'm coming as late as I can, so that it will be a very close race against the sun. So we have approximately 2 hours and 20 minutes to get to Rhineland-Pfalz, and this is about 50 kilometers from here, from the Eifel National Park. So I have to do 25 kilometers an hour to get there somehow, maybe 20 kilometers, and yeah, it's gonna be tough. If we come late and the sun is already down, at least I have some lights to find the place where we'll be sleeping, but more of that later. Fucking hell. Man, we were cycling downhill, like, I don't know, 1,000 meters or something, on 32C tires. Absolutely madness, so you definitely need a mountain bike here, it turns out. So we've booked a spot in the forest. Yes, you can do that. In the National Park Eifel, you can book spots in the midst of nature, in the midst of nowhere, for, I don't know, 10 bucks, 20 bucks. Oh, the sun is back, nice. It's not a house that you can book there, but it's a nice area where you are allowed to camp. But there's still another question mark, or two. One, well, today's Saturday and I booked it for Monday, but because Monday is gonna be 1 degree or something and maybe snow, I decided to go today. The second question mark is, will there be people looking who is camping there and who's not? If so, we might have a problem, and we might have to camp somewhere really in nature, or maybe there's somebody else who has the same idea, although it's not allowed to camp there at the moment due to Corona. Apparently camping in the midst of the forest completely on your own is not allowed. But yeah, we're gonna do it anyways, and hopefully all goes well. Oh boy, you gotta be kidding me. All the way up. Jesus Christ. It's gonna be tough. All the way to the end, guys. So, the sun is going down in 1 hour. And we still have 27 kilometers to ride, and at the moment I'm just climbing. We've done, yeah, about halfway, 23 kilometers, over 450 meters of climbing. Absolutely madness. And I think we have to do 850, so still 400 meters. The sun is still there. We're still racing it, but It's pretty chilly here in the forest, I can tell you that.
Make sure she's in love with you now. Make sure that her love is true now. I hate to see you feeling sad and blue now.
Bloody hell. Almost couldn't this bike get to a standstill. Look how steep that is. It's going all the way down there. I need to play it very cautious. I'm gonna put the camera back in the bag. So yeah, catch you later.
My mama told me you better shop around. Don't let the first one get you. Oh no, 'cause I don't wanna see you with you. Before you let them hold you tight.
It's only climbing. 600 meters already. Still 200 to go. And 70 kilometers. 17.
Yeah, make sure she's alright. Before you let them take your hand, my son. Understand, my son. Be a man, my son.
So beautiful. There she goes. Already turning purple or orange. Yeah, so it's getting really close. So we're not on the streets anymore, and it's still 7 kilometers through the forest, and then we're there. Hopefully we will be alone. Otherwise we need to camp here or somewhere else. Alright guys, so I'm in the tent finally. It's like 10 o'clock now, so it took me an hour to set the stand up. I also broke one part of the tent, but it's just, yeah, it shouldn't be too much of a worry to replacing that. It's just a stick. But yeah, I'm really exhausted. I haven't even made food. I'm just gonna eat some chips, some bars, and that's it. And tomorrow we're gonna make a nice breakfast. But I'm really exhausted. I'm happy that I'm in the tent now, and I can even see the stars outside. It's fucking beautiful. So yeah, I will enjoy the stars. And yeah, now I'm just gonna sleep and yeah, get some rest, because this was really tough. I will tell you tomorrow what happened, because the last 4 kilometers was just straight hiking through the forest, and there was no way. But yeah, more to that later. I will say good night, and I will see you all tomorrow. Yeah, it wasn't the warmest of nights, let's put it that way. My hair's looking crazy as well, pretty ridiculous, but we made it. The first overnighter, we survived. Let's see. I found it! Only, I don't know, 10 hours too late. At least I know next time. Man, that's unfortunate. Oh boy. I wonder if there are any more hurdles coming in our way today. Jesus Christ.